Hello, my dear friends. Now this video we are going to make past perfect continuous tense. इस टेंस में हम पास्ट में जो काम हो रहा है और जो कुछ समय तक होता रहा हो उसमें समय हो उसमें हम यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हैड यू बीन गोइंग देयर फॉर सम टाइम. क्या तुम कुछ समय से जाते रहे थे या जा रहे थे? यस, आई हैड बीन गोइंग देयर फॉर सम टाइम. हाँ, मैं कुछ देर से जा रहा था. और आई हैड बीन गोइंग सिंस 4 o'clock, या मैं 4 बजे से जा रहा था. और आई हैड बीन गोइंग फॉर 1 hour, या मैं 1 घंटे से जा रहा था. ये है पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. इसको कैसे कंठस्थ करेंगे हम और पढ़ेंगे. हैड यू बीन गोइंग देयर फॉर सम टाइम? यस, आई हैड बीन गोइंग देयर फॉर सम टाइम. नो, आई हैडंट बीन गोइंग देयर फॉर सम टाइम. Had you been coming here for some time? Yes, I had been coming here for some time. No, I hadn't been coming here for some time. Had you been reading the book for some time? Yes, I had been reading the book for some time. No, I hadn't been reading the book for some time. Had you been writing a letter since 4 o'clock? Yes, I had been writing a letter since 4 o'clock. No, I hadn't been writing a letter for some time. Had you been opening the door for some time? Or since 4 o'clock? Or for 1 hour? कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. Yes, I had been opening the door for some time. No, I hadn't been opening the door for some time. Had you been closing the window for some time? Yes, I had been closing the window for some time. Had you been taking tea for some time? Yes, I had been taking tea for some time. Had you been giving money for some time? Yes, I had been giving money for some time. No, I hadn't been giving money for some time. Had you been eating mango for some time? Yes, I had been eating mango for some time. No, I hadn't been eating for some time. Had you been drinking milk for some time? Yes, I had been drinking milk for some time. No, I hadn't been drinking milk for some time. इस प्रकार ये कंठस्थ करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Everyone should know that speaking depends on the work of your mouth and tongue. It doesn't depend on your mental knowledge, that how much knowledge you have of the book. कितना ज्ञान है आपको, कितना आपने पढ़ा है, लिखा है. You can do, आप एग्जाम पास कर सकते हैं, क्वेश्चंस का आंसर लिख सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट एसे, लेटर एंड एवरीथिंग. बट फॉर स्पीकिंग, जब आप बोलने जाएंगे तो आपकी ज़ुबान भारी हो जाएगी और आपका कॉन्फिडेंस डिसअपियर हो जाएगा. विदाउट प्रैक्टिस ऑफ टंग एंड माउथ यू कैन नॉट स्पीक. एंड आई टेल यू दैट फॉर फ्लुएंसी you should bring and you should practice this. As I have said, had you been going there for some time? Yes, I had been going there for some time. No, I hadn't been going there for some time. In this way you will complete this table.